But like, of course, there would be no lightning when I start trying to video it. And watch, I know as soon as I cut this thing off, it's gonna start again. Ain't it, babe? That's how it always works out. I pushed pause and that shit happened. I pushed pause and look what happened. I knew I shouldn't have. Oh, yes. That's the shit I want. Huh?
Send that to the news.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they be posting it.
Well, then I guess I can't cuss, huh? Well, crank is Mike. We're here waiting on the rainfall.
Oh.
I got some shrimp on the barbie. Whoa. I'll put this on YouTube. If it becomes a good hit, then I'll start following. I'll quit my job and start following thunderstorms, babe.
Oh my god.
What? The viewers can let me know if they like it.
Stick to your day job.
Let me.
Your night job.
Whoa, whoa. Okay. No support. No support from you. Hey man, no. If the YouTube followers want me to do that, I'll chase them. I'll get into the storm. I'll get so close, I'll lick the lightning. Whoa, that should look awesome. Do you think I could get on top of the roof? No. Is that okay? Why? Oh, you're my mommy now? Oh.
Mommy don't want your drawers.
Oh, man. No, don't run. Come here. Stay with me. Come on, stay with Big Papa. You would leave my ass here? Well, guess what?
What?
I'll laugh all the way to the bank because I'll get a million YouTube hits.
If you die.
Well, my kids will laugh to the bank.
I'll steal
You hear that, everybody? If I get struck by lightning while doing this, and it's a YouTube hit, my kids get all the money only.
You heard me?
I'm about to put it on YouTube right now. Whoa. I don't have no little stalkers. Why do you keep saying that? Well, that's not good YouTube status. I'm gonna have to cut that out, guys. They're having a party and this storm is coming.
That's probably at the bakery.
Oh. Oh yeah. And just a little shout out, my grandparents do own a bakery down the street, Lafayette Bakery. If you're ever in Haines City, best Mexican bread in America. Right, babe?
Yeah, I'm gonna edit that part.
Whoa. This lightning is awesome.